Most of the students overcomplicate this question in the exams. Don't be one of them. If you notice this carefully, there is a square root of a quadratic function and there is a linear function out. Okay, that tells you that this is a function within a function. So that tells you that this inner function is most likely what you'll have to put is equal to u. Now let's see if whether the derivative of that function is present. If you take derivative of this, derivative of x square is 2x and the derivative of x is 1. So the derivative is 2x plus 1 because the derivative of 1 is anyway 0. So the overall derivative of this function quadratic is 2x plus 1. I do not see 2x plus 1, but I see 4x plus 2. Can we factor out 2 from here? Yes, we can. And it will be exactly giving you 2x plus 1. So let's factor out 2 and you will be getting 2x plus 1, which is nothing but the derivative of this quadratic function that we have over here. Okay. So now what we can do is easily put that inner quadratic is equal to u and we have the derivative present right here. Okay, that will make our life way easier. So what we can do is put x square plus x plus 1 is equal to u. Now let's convert that integral from the x world to the u world. And in order to do that, let's differentiate both the sides with respect to x. Derivative of x square with respect to x is 2x. Derivative of x with respect to x is 1. Derivative of 1 with respect to x is 0. And derivative of u with respect to x is du by dx. Okay. Now if you notice the original integral, there is 2x plus 1, which is the derivative of this function. And then there is this times dx. Even here, we have that 2x plus 1 and we have that dx over here. So what we can do is just multiply that dx on the left hand side. So that is going to give you 2x plus 1 times dx. In other words, just multiply dx on both the sides is equal to du. Okay. So what that tells you is this times this, or 2x plus 1 times of dx is nothing but du. So let's convert that integral from the x world to the u world. And the 2 is constant can be taken out of the integral. So we have this times this is nothing but du. And this square root of x square plus x plus 1 is nothing but square root of u. I hope that makes sense. Now what we can do is 2 times integral of the square root of u is nothing but u to the power half du. At this point, it's such a simple integral, and we can just integrate it using basic algebraic formula u to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 because it is algebraic. So we have u to the power half plus 1 divided by half plus 1 plus let's add the constant of integration c. We can convert it back to the x world and just clean this up a little bit. So instead of u, we can just write x square plus x plus 1 to the power 3 by 2 divide by 3 by 2 plus c. Okay. And this 2 is in denominator. Its denominator can go in the numerator. So I have 4 by 3. That 2 is going to make this 2 4 divided by 3. X square plus x plus 1 to the power 3 by 2 plus constant of integration c, and this is nothing but your final result. I hope that makes sense. If you understand the concepts that I'm teaching you, can I request you to like this video and subscribe to this channel? It is free for you, but it motivates me to create more such helpful content. Have you ever wondered what's the integral of sine square x? I have the video right here.